really doTERRA is more than just an essential oil company. They're a wellness company, and they're focused on helping you transform your home and your health at the same time. And so the Hey, it's Lance McGowan here and
Malise Simpson.
And today we are covering the Natural Solutions Kit that you can see here, and we're highlighting lavender, lemon, and peppermint. Yes, awesomeness. It's going to be fun. Okay, and so the problem though is that the reactive approach to health costs extra time, money, and frustration.
It sure does. I know I've been in that boat many a times in the past, and I know a lot of people do too. So the solution is a natural solutions kit like this, because you can be prepared for life's little emergencies, and you have things within arm's reach when something pops up in your life.
Yes, and we all know that things pop up when we least expect it. I mean, we don't ever plan for that type of stuff to happen, but procrastinating or ignoring it is not going to make it go away.
Right,
Right?
exactly.
All right, so when we are looking at the three most popular essential oils that doTERRA offers, lavender, lemon, and peppermint, maybe we can start off with lavender first. So maybe what are some of the benefits and uses of lavender?
Lavender is very, very common. It is one of the most popular essential oils there is. It's very soothing to occasional skin irritations, and also you can take it internally to reduce anxious feelings, and it has a very relaxing aroma to it.
Okay.
So
yes, I love lavender, and there's so many ways to use it. You can use it aromatically, topically, or internally, and we cover a lot of that in the classes that we teach, as well as our consultations that we offer to our clients as well, and so that's really great. Awesomeness.
Right.
All right, so the next one is one of my other favorites here. It's lemon. Okay, so lemon helps to cleanse and purify the air and surfaces. It naturally cleanses the body and aids in digestion when ingested. It supports healthy respiratory function when used internally, and it has a very uplifting aroma that promotes a more positive mood. And I love using this in my smoothies, in my water. We just need to make sure we're using glass, stainless steel, or ceramic mugs when we do that.
right, I love that in my water as well. It's yummy. So then the next one is our peppermint. This one is super popular and most loved too. And some of the primary benefits of peppermint, there's so many, but when ingested, it actually promotes a healthy respiratory function and helps clear breathing. So it really opens up those airways. And it's also good, really good for digestive support, and it also repels bugs out in the garden. Or the ones that come inside that you don't want inside.
Yeah, like gnats maybe, or like
Right.
mosquitoes or other bugs that shouldn't be there. All right, but when we look at, there's a lot of natural solutions here that can really transform someone's bathroom or kitchen cabinet, which is really the purpose of the Natural Solutions Kit. But some people may be asking, why doTERRA, really? And what would you say when somebody asks, why doTERRA?
Well, one reason is because it is the largest and most trusted, most transparent essential oil company in the world. They are debt-free. The founders have over 150 years of experience in natural solutions, and their standard of quality is certified pure therapeutic grade.
Those are a lot of great reasons to choose doTERRA over other companies out there. And I know there's another question that typically comes up is like, should I go with somebody local or out of state, online, face-to-face? Why would they even choose somebody like Malie or Lance, for example, for, their wellness journey?
Well, when you're looking to choose someone to help support you, you want to make sure that they have knowledge of the products, and especially in this type of business where wellness is associated, you want people to have knowledge on a nutrition as well. So someone that knows a lot more about whole foods and a plant-based focus on their diet as well is really good for someone to help you through that journey.
And you've been with doTERRA over 5 years and myself over 4 years, and so longevity is something to definitely consider as well. And then, I really focus on, and I know we're really good at it too, but it's just quick email, quick response time with regards to email and text. I mean, so many people, I think, oftentimes feel ignored or even rejected when people don't get back to them. And, within 24 hours is my goal. And I know that's best in class for many businesses, but within 48 hours is what most businesses actually do.
Right, and that is, important for someone to feel that personal connection with the person that they purchased from or they bought from, so that, there's tons of information online, and we offer a lot of that online as well. Obviously, this video is online,
right,
but there's just something about that text when you're first getting started to feel like you really have that person in your corner.
Yeah, and we offer consultations and phone calls and all that fun stuff to get people to, get to know us a little bit. And more than a transaction, we're building a relationship and helping to walk alongside you as you go through your own wellness journey, which is going to be so important because, nobody likes to be thrown to the wolves, so to speak, or, have these products collect dust in their cabinets or boxes or anything. And so that's going to be really important.
So why now? Why essential oils? Why natural solutions now, Lance?
That's a good question. Well, Murphy's Law states that anything that can go wrong will go wrong, and our health is not an exception to that. Let me tell you, there's lots of things that pop up. And, do you really wait to get car insurance after you get into an accident? I mean, is that really a good idea?
It's against the law, I hear so.
Well, yeah, right. And so another reason is to be proactive, not reactive. And I think so often, there's so many people that I know that are, not proactive with their health. And I was that way for a long time too, until I got the education, until I got the personalized support. And then what's really great about the Natural Solutions Kit is that you receive 100 product credits, which is like oil money in your bank account. You also save over $228 with this kit. The membership fee is waived, and you start off by getting 15% back on anything you buy in the form of product credits, which is super huge. I mean, you get 25% off as a wholesale member, and then you also get an additional 15% back on anything you buy in the Loyalty Rewards program. And the Loyalty Rewards program basically is the smartest way to buy. It's like a frequent flyer program or hotel rewards program, where the more you buy and take care of your health, the more doTERRA rewards you in free products in the form of credits. And so just like the frequent flyer program, the more you fly, the more you get to fly for free in the future. So the more you buy with oils, the more oils you get for free in the future. So it's awesome. And so you can get up to 55% off, which is so amazing. I mean, I get to get about $500 worth of free oils every year, especially with quarterly specials and the free product of the month and all the discounts.
Oh yeah, it's an amazing way to save on supporting your health in a natural way, and being able to have these products in your home delivered right to your doorstep and be able to earn all those points back so you can redeem those for free stuff. It's awesome.
That's right. And we don't just leave you hanging. I mean, we offer a wellness consult so you know how to maximize your membership benefits, so you don't have to memorize anything in this video, and to also learn how to use all these oils and supplements and products, because really doTERRA is more than just an essential oil company. They're a wellness company, and they're focused on helping you transform your home and your health at the same time. And so the next steps are pretty simple. You just click the link in the description below to learn about your kit options and to get started, right? Because we want you to get started with your wellness journey so that Murphy's Law doesn't kind of come in there and try to take things over here. And then also you can send us an email if you have any questions on any of the products, or if you want to set up a phone consultation to kind of get the ball rolling. Some people are kind of like, I don't know, I'm on the fence. Or if they're already with doTERRA, they're like, hey, what do I do? I don't know. So there we go.
Right, yeah. 15-minute phone consultation really kind of guides you in that direction and gives you a little bit of personal one-on-one time so you can make the best purchasing decision for yourself.
Exactly. Well, other than that, hey, thanks for watching. If you got some value out of today's video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button for future video updates. And we'd love to hear from you. Just leave a comment below on what product you enjoyed the most hearing about today. Was it peppermint, was it lemon, or was it lavender? We'll see you in the next video. Bye.